The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Lake County in northeast Illinois until 9:45 p.m. At 9:09 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated strong rotation in a severe thunderstorm near Long Grove, moving east at 38 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this storm include North Barrington, Matata, Vernon Hills, and Lake Forest. If you are near the path of this storm, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Mobile homes and vehicles should be abandoned for more substantial shelter. Avoid windows. Please report tornadoes, funnel clouds, strong winds, or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Monday evening for Northeast Illinois and Northwest Indiana.